Hey folks, by now you have heard of the incredible benefits of using Amsoil synthetics in your car, boat, truck, lawnmower, or machine that needs to be lubricated. But are you aware that you can buy Amsoil Wholesale as an Amsoil preferred customer? That's right. Hooking up with an Amsoil dealer wholesale is quick and easy and saves you a ton of money. Amsoil Wholesale is available through the Factory Direct Amsoil Preferred Customer Program. Let wholesale Amsoil dealer Dan Watson set up your Amsoil Wholesale PC membership today. What are you waiting for? Call Dan today at 800-370-2986 or visit thelubepage.com. The PC program saves you money on all Amsoil products. Dan Watson is a certified lubrication specialist with over 28 years of experience. He will assist you with product selection to make sure you get the right Amsoil products for specific applications. Personalized service along with Amsoil wholesale prices is an unbeatable combination. So call Amsoil dealer Dan Watson at 800-370-2986 or visit thelubepage.com to get Amsoil wholesale through the Amsoil Preferred Customer Program and save yourself a ton of money.